We had been looking at lots of different layouts and lots of plans and hadn't really seen one that really suited us. And then we were actually about to maybe go to an architect and say, could they draw it? And then then the Toorak opened. So it was, I think, the first couple of weeks of opening, we were there and we just went in and went, this layout really works for us.
Yeah, then we met the design team to suit our block and see what they could do for us, because it's slightly different.
Yeah.
But they made the adjustments based on the Toorak and it came out how it did, yeah.
So when we were planning the house, it was really important for us to have different spaces, different zones for everyone to be. And also for us to have separate spaces away from the main living. So we've got like a playroom at the back of the house. Upstairs there's also like a sitting area, so as the kids get older, they can also use that space.